Hey everyone, I'm Michael and welcome to another Little Big Planet video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some more tag related stuff and things you can do with them and sort of a better way to use them to send messages across the level. And um, I haven't done a Little Big Planet video in a while. That's mostly because I ran out of ideas, but I think this might be something that we can that is very useful. It's something that I use a lot in my levels, is tag-based communication, and so so I've set up a little environment here to sort of demo some of the things that you can do with tags in Little Big Planet. This is going to work in Little Big Planet 3 and Little Big Planet 2, as well as Little Big Planet Vita. But to my knowledge, Little Big Planet 1 doesn't have everything that I'm about to show you, so your mileage may vary. But the first thing that I want to show you guys is, of course, well, the usual way tags work. When you go into a tags tweak menu or a tag sensors tweak menu, like I'm about to do, you get to select a color. It's been this way across all Little Big Planet games. That's pretty normal. Um, Now, this isn't just for decoration. In fact, these colors determine what tag is compatible. So over here, I have this stack of red, green, and blue tags, and I'm going to grab one. This is the green one, and if I try to put it in front of the red tag here, it's not going to light up. However, if I put it in front of the green tag, you can see that it does light up. So that's what the color is for. So if I go ahead and grab another tag here, I can make sure that this light turns on, and I can grab this blue one and place it over here, and the blue light will turn on. So yeah, that's sort of or it will if I believe that color is set incorrectly, either that or it's not lit up, but yeah, something's causing that one specifically to not trigger. Let me debug this. So that's blue, and that is also blue, so it should be working fine. Yep. So something is smashed about it, but unless maybe there's a layer awareness issue. Nope. I don't know what happened there, but that should have worked. Alright, so a little annoyed that that demo didn't work, but yeah. So that's color-coded tags, and that's how they are supposed to work. The next thing that I want to show you guys is labeled tags and how they work, because in Little Big Planet 3, and I believe in LBP 2 as well, if you go ahead and tweak a tag sensor or a tag, and not the material that it's on, but the tag itself, below the color you get the option to set a tag label. And this is something that I do in my levels a lot. What this allows you to do is, yes, this is a green tag right here, but you can see that it's not lighting up this green tag sensor. That's because it has the incorrect label. If I place it in front of the correct... Whoa. If I go ahead, grab it, and place it in front of the correct label... oh god, this is even worse. I apparently can't use a grab sensor, or grabinator today. God damn it, Sackboy! Let's just push this in front of one and see which one lights up. So this has the correct label for that second light there. So let's grab another one and see if we can get these all lit up. So we're gonna put that one in place, and then kind of let go of it here. And yeah, so that's the incorrect tag for that. So let's try to put it here. And as you can see, that lights up. which through process of elimination tells me that this one is the correct tag for that. So that's tag labels. So that allows you to use the same color, but also have multiple messages, which starts to become really useful in large levels. And the other thing to know is that you can label a tag with the same label, but a different color, and it still won't trigger that other, or it won't trigger if the color is mismatched. So I'm gonna grab this green tag here. Actually, no, I want to grab the second one. This one right here. If I grab this one and put it over here in front of the green, oops. Let's try that again. We'll put it in front of the green. You can see that it lights up. And it has the same label. It has the label of 2. And if I go into the red tag here, this one, you can see that it does have the same label. It has 2, but it's colored red. If I go ahead and grab this tag and push it over, you can see that the light's not coming on. That's because although the label matches, the color doesn't match. In order for this to turn on, we need to set the light to red, or the tag to red, and as you can see, it turns on. So that is very, very important to know, is how to do that. Now I'm just trying to check. I'm really confused as to why this one didn't turn on. My guess is it is turning on, it's just that there's so much light in this area that the game doesn't know what to do. I seem to recall... Oh wait, that's the PS Vita. Oh, okay, so I'm not going to try to diagnose this light, it just doesn't want to work. But anyway, so yeah, there are some useful applications for this. For example, in another level that I'm working on, let's see if I can find it. It is near this one. I am working on single-player co-op, which is a mechanic that I've kind of come up with. And I'm gonna do a future tutorial on how to set this up, but this is sort of where I work on it and get it all working. There are a lot of tags going into this. So you can see right here that we have 2 blue tags. One of them is labeled Ash, and one of them is labeled Richie. This one right here. This is for the active character. Again, I will do a tutorial on this. And as you can see, I have 2 sackbots here. You can see that this... okay, that's a green tag. You can see that inside here there's a remote tag sensor that's blue and labeled with Ash, and it's deactivated right now. And if I go into this sackbot here, the one with the sticker panel behind it, you can see that if I go into that same microchip, we have another blue remote tag sensor, and it's labeled Richie, and it's active right now. So that's a demo of me using the same color, but a different label to differentiate these tags, even though that both the tags are blue and both the sensors are blue. Only one of them is active because the label is mismatched. Along with that, I'm working on a sort of checkpoint system for multiple characters, but with one player, which is kind of difficult. But you can see that the same idea here. The active checkpoint has a tag sensor for Ash, and when it's inactive, it kind of enables this checkpoint and sends it into the foreground. And then if I go into the background here, it's the same idea, except that the tag is replaced with Richie, and it's active right now, so that pushes it into the background. So this is Ash's checkpoint and his live counter. So that is sort of an actual application of this whole tag system here that I just showed you. And with that said, I've been Michael. I hope this kind of gives you a better idea of how to use those, or how to use the colors and labels inside of your tags and tag sensors. And with that said, I've been Michael. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Join the Discord if you're not there already, to be a part of what decides what tutorials I make. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.